Here this morning to tell you about myself. This is a public speaking class 1315-9B, speech 1 of fall 2013. My names are Isibo Oriamen Monday. I'm called Monday because my mother told me I was born on a Monday. I was born and raised in Nigeria, originated from the western part of that beautiful country. I attended a high school, a college, and a university in Nigeria and graduated with a degree in marketing. Married with 4 beautiful children, I traveled all the states of Nigeria officially for my job as a marketer. Lagos is a city by the Atlantic Ocean. It is a favorite city I have lived in Nigeria. I did enjoy the cool breeze of the Atlantic Ocean. So let me show you where Nigeria is in the world. This is the map of the world. This is where we are today, North America. There's South America also as a continent. There's Europe as a continent. There's Asia as a continent. But this is Africa as a continent. That is where I come from. The western part of Africa is where I come from, where Nigeria is, and this is Nigeria in Africa. This is Lagos in Nigeria by the Atlantic Ocean. All of this area is the Atlantic Ocean. Houston, Texas is also a favorite city. I have lived here in the United States of America. I enjoy my stay in that beautiful city with heavy traffic at the rush hour. I'm currently a senior studying to earn a degree in nursing at Lamar University. Currently working as a nurse supervisor in a facility in Texas. I enjoy playing soccer at my free times. I like reading books and magazines. I also like to work with the computer all the time, especially at my leisure times. The first director of nursing I worked with in San Antonio for 4 years is very, very important in my life because she motivated me and contributed morally towards my growth in the field of nursing. While I was in the LVN school, working with her as a nurse aide, she monitored me from the beginning to the end to ensure my success. And during my RN, she did not stop monitoring me. She made sure I was in school and did all I was supposed to do to graduate. More grace to her elbow. I salute her courage towards my life. My family members are also very important to me. I love my children. They give, not only did they keep me busy, they also give me joy every day of my life. My goal is to become a nurse practitioner. The reason is that there is a lot of shortages everywhere in the country with regard to medical personnel. Doctors cannot reach all those that needed to be reached because of shortage. When I become a nurse practitioner, I will help in this regard. To work anywhere, it doesn't matter how rural or how remote the area is, I can go to work anywhere to help contribute towards life saving. That is my intention, and that is the reason why I choose to become a nurse practitioner. God helping me. Thank you, and God bless. Isibo Oriamen Monday.